Another request we get often at the support desk is for adding a device, like a printer, to a computer. This is something you might be able to handle if you're at home or you're at work and you'd like to get it done right away.
I accidentally started it.
First off, if you're dealing with a new printer at home, you'll want to follow the instructions that came with it. Most printers today come with a pretty simple set of instructions for setting up the printer and adding it to your computer. This typically involves installing the printer's drivers and software from a CD and walking through an initial setup process, which will ask if you'd like to use the printer wirelessly or with a USB cable. These instructions differ depending on the printer you're installing, but most are pretty straightforward. If you're at work, your IT department will likely be installing your new printer for you, at which point you can ask for that printer to be added to your computer. In case you miss that opportunity, you can try adding the printer by following these steps. Click on the Start button, which is the little Windows logo in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. You can immediately start typing in Devices and Printers. Once you see that option, go ahead and click on it. In the Devices and Printers screen that opens, click on the Add a Printer button near the top. Your computer will start scanning for printers that are shared out on your facility's network. Hopefully you can find a printer in this list, either by a descriptive name it might have, like Front Office Printer, or by its model number, which is usually displayed on the front or top of the printer itself. If you see your printer in this list, select it, then click Next. Follow the prompts to add the printer to your computer. This might involve clicking OK to install the printer's driver. Once you've successfully added the printer, you will be asked if you want to print a test page. Go ahead and do this to confirm that you've got the right printer and that it's connected properly. This will send a one-page print job to the printer with a sheet of paper that says Windows Test Page at the top. After that, you're all set. You'll be able to select this printer next time you go to print a document. If you're at home and need to install a printer that's already in your house, you can try to dig up that disk it came with and use that to install the printer's drivers and software. This will walk you through connecting the printer wirelessly. If you don't have that disk anymore, you can usually find software using a simple Google search. Find the model for your printer and search for it in Google. If you get a lot of results, try adding the word driver, software, or download at the end. You should find a link to a download page for your printer where you can download and install the software you need to get the printer added to your computer.